Ever wondered if the world of Westworld could become a reality? Well, today we're sharing something truly unique: Clone, a humanoid robot like no other. While many robot manufacturers are building silicon-based human-like machines with metal composite materials, Clone Robotics is aiming to fully replicate the human body, designing an actual human-like robot. Back in August, Clone unveiled its robot torso design, which grabbed global attention. And just recently, they've revealed the torso too. You can see the upper body is packed with muscles and can move freely in all directions. Their website has also been updated, giving us a closer look at how Clone is cloning humans. The muscle system uses the revolutionary Myofiber technology developed by Clone in 2021. This is the world's only artificial muscle technology that combines weight, power density, speed, strength-to-weight ratio, and energy efficiency in such a powerful way. But that's not all. Clone's skeletal system includes all 206 bones of the human body with minimal fusion, while the hands, wrists, and elbows feature 26 degrees of freedom, and the upper body has 164 degrees of freedom. The robot's nervous system includes 4 depth cameras, 70 inertial sensors, and 320 pressure sensors, giving it human-like perception. Its vascular system is the most complex hydraulic power system ever designed, featuring a compact 500W electric pump similar to the human heart. Clone has revealed that their first batch of 279 Clone Alpha robots will be available for pre-order in 2025, complete with a training platform to teach your clone new skills. From doing laundry and cooking to pouring drinks and cleaning the house, a trained clone can even walk like a human. While we haven't seen the full physical demo just yet, Clone's updates are enough to make us imagine that the sci-fi androids from movies might soon be real. Want to know more about humanoid robots and the aluminum die casting industry? Stay tuned and subscribe. We'll keep sharing all the latest info to help with your robotics projects.